Hello and welcome back to Civil Field Trainers. So today we'll be discussing this printed out from my student. He has sent me his model and he's finding few issues with his modeling. So let's get started. I'll go to File, Import. I'll import his .2k file into my Etabs and let me open this. It'll give you a pop-up like this saying that he has Etabs from 2021 version and you have Etabs 19 version. So we can just click on OK and import the file. Okay. So as soon as we import the file, I'll go to Analyze, check model because this is where we find the errors. So I'll go for one. I'll click on OK. And for one, we are not finding any errors as such. But as I have said in my course, that you have to go beyond 1 mm. So let's go for Analyze, check model again, and I'll increase the tolerance to 10 mm and click on OK. And we do that. Now you're finding errors over here. All right. So if I go to just give it a second, still running the analysis. So I'm getting 12 check warnings. All right, that between terrace, second floor, and first floor, the same numbers are repeating again and again over here. Okay, so how do I work with this? The very first thing that you have to do is you have to delete the existing floors. If I just go down, all these floors are nothing but replicated. Okay, so you're getting the same error on each and every floor. To decrease your work, first just delete these additional floors, then we can replicate them in the end. So let me just select this. Let me just delete this from here. I'll go down. I'll repeat the same step. I'll delete this again. I'll come down further. Let it be here. Okay, so the first floor and plinth level, they are the bit separate, so let me keep them like this. I'll go to Analyze, check model again, 20 mm. Let's click on OK, and you can see we are getting just four warnings here. That's first floor slab, F2 and B8, and I don't know where this F2 and B8 are there. So how do I get this? I have to come here, the tick mark option which is there. Click on the tick mark option. After that, come to the object assignments. In here, go to shell assignments, click on labels, click on frame assignment, click on labels, apply to all windows, and click on apply. Okay, this way you'll be able to see everything like this. So if I come over here, you can see that F1, I have to go over analyze again, analyze check model. Let me come from 10, we will check 20 later. Okay, so we're getting 26 warnings. If I reduce the tolerance level, I'm getting more a number of errors. So I'm getting approximately 26. So in the first floor, I'm getting so many errors, and in plain PIM also I'm getting errors. So let me go to plain PIM first. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? It's very simple. Just go to select, get previous selection, and you'll be able to see where and all you're getting the problem. Okay, so all these beams and all these slabs is where you're getting the issue. So let's start with the plinth level first. If you fix the plinth level, we can easily fix the upper level also. So basically, I'm getting errors here, right? So I have to zoom in completely, as much as possible zoom in, and then just select it. Okay, select like this, and then you can just zoom in over here, and you can see that one beam is going like this and one beam is just coming and sitting here. Okay, so there is an issue over here. Just zoom in more, you should be able to see that line, blue line coming over here in the bottom. So what I can do is I can go and use the reshape tool from here. Okay, you can either delete this and redraw it. I'm showing you the option by using reshape tool. Okay, just remove it out. Again, select this beam, select this beam. Okay, this beam has not been broken yet. Okay, okay. So let me just select this and this, go to edit, edit frames, divide frames. I'll break it at intersection point. So this is the intersection point. Let me just break it, apply. So the beams have been broken over there. Same thing I have to do here also, just a second. Let me just rejoin them. Go for all stories. Let me select this here. Okay, again, he has not broken any beams. That is why we're getting the problem here. All right, so I have to break all these beams, even this one. Here I have to break one beam. So let me go to edit frames, divide frames, break an intersection and click on apply. Okay, so almost all of them have been broken up. Okay, here it has not been broken up, so let me just select this and this, click on apply. Okay, again I was doing this in all stories. Once that is done, here we don't need to create two separate this one. So let me select those things, go to uh, edit frames, join frames. Okay, so like this we have to supposed to do it. uh, okay, everything is broken now properly. Now let's go and check. We'll get more errors now. Analyze check model. Okay, okay, so we're getting something like 53 warnings. We'll go step by step and we'll rectify all of them. Select, get previous selection. you can see the problem lies here. Let me just select this now. You should be able to see two markings, and you can see two markings now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, see, I'm gonna go for one story at a time. Okay, so I'll change it to one story. If I keep it to all story, what happens? Let me just show it to you what happens. If I go for all stories, and if I try to use a reshape tool and start reshaping things, okay, both of them will get into the change. All right, I just want to fix the plinth level first, then I want to go and change the top level. I can just replicate them because all the beams are same. So let me just go for reshape tool again, select this beam from here. I'll just remove it out. Again, I made a mistake. Select the beam, come to the corner point, the red light should come like this. Then you can remove it like this. Okay, again select the beam, make sure the red light comes, and then you can remove it like this. Again select it, remove it out like this. Again, you can always redraw. I'm choosing you to show a different method here. So again, now I'm going to select this. I'm just going to come all the way here until I see a joint option. Okay, the moment I see a joint option, I'll drop it. If you're not able to see joint, right click, and then go for snap option and click on joints here. Check on joints. All right, apply and close it. Again, use a reshape tool, come back in here and put it on joint. Again, select this option, come back here and put it on the joint option. Okay, so I have fixed this one. So let me see if the number of errors are going down or what. Analyze check model, click on OK, and you can see this side is not highlighted this time around. So I'm getting 50 errors now instead of 55. So what I'll do, I'll do the same thing. I'll repeat the same thing over here also, in which I'll just use the reshape tool and just drag it out. Again, as I have said already, you are more than welcome to go and redraw all these beams. Let's remove this also for a second. Okay, let's go and put it on the joint part properly, like this. Like this. Okay. All right. So let's run the analysis again. Analyze check model, and let's click on OK. Now if you see, we are getting lesser number of errors, and none of them are in the plinth level. All of them are in the first floor slab. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll go to the first floor slab. I'll go to select object type. I'll select all my floor levels. I'll select all these floors. Right click. Okay. And then click on hide slider objects. What I'm doing, let me repeat again. I'm going to select object type. Okay. I'll select floors here. After which, right click, hide selected objects. You do this, all these floors will go away. After which, what I'll do, now instead of going and using the reshape tool again, I'll just delete all these beams from here. I'll delete all these beams. I'll come a level lower on the plinth level, select all of them. See here, he has given the same beam dimensions for both. That's why I'm able to do this. If you have separate beam dimensions, you cannot replicate them. You have to redraw them. Okay, because here he has given same beam dimensions for both plinth and the first floor level. I'm just replicating them here. Okay, edit, then go for replicate option, go to stories, go to first floor, click on apply, and click on OK. All right. Once this is done, just come up and see, show all objects you do. Okay, and then what you can do is you can go for again analyze check model, click on OK. There is some error in the corner part, but now we're just getting 10 warnings. Okay, so let's do the same thing that we did last time. All right, let me just check. I'll do one thing. I'll just try to redraw the slab portion. Let me just see if there are any double markings over here. Yes, there are there. So let me just take this slab. Okay, so I'll take this corner point again, and I'll go and try to place it on the proper joint part. Okay, I think here also we're getting an error. Yes, so let me use the reshape tool again. Bring it out first, then I'll take it back in. Control Z, select the slab, and then just click on the joint part like this. Once that is done, again I'm in one story option. Analyze check model, click on OK. We're getting no warning messages. Okay, let me just close this. Go for analyze check model. I'll increase the Tolerance limit again. Let me see if I'm getting some more errors now. We're not getting any errors. I'll increase it some more so we don't have any issues. I'll go to 50, click on OK. See, we're not getting any warning messages. So it's very simple. Now this work is done. I'll select the entirety of this floor, go to edit, go to replicate, I'll go to story, and whatever the rest of the stories were there, I'll just replicate them there. Okay, like this you can work. It's very simple. All right. And before we wind up the class, if you're interested in joining our courses, you can come and check it out here. Etabs, Safe, RCDC, and SAP 2000. Basically, I have given separate courses also now because many of them were requesting for it. They were like, you're not interested in RCDC, you just want Etabs and Safe. So you can come over here in Etabs and Safe. In the content part, you will get for Etabs, we have approximately 6 models, right? If you just come and scroll down, I think I have mentioned this properly in the Hindi side of the version. Let me go there. Okay, see model 1, model 2, model 4, model 5, and model 6. You get 6 separate models just in Etabs. All right. And when you come to the safe part, safe foundation, it is covered everything from our isolated footing to our apartment projects, what we have covered, staff footing, eccentric footing, all these different footings are covered in this. And let me come back to the overview part. This is just for the Etabs and safe part, and you have like 200 off right now. Again, whatever the coupon code is, it is just for 2 days. Then it will expire. So if you just apply the coupon code here, the thing will cost like 309 rupees. But if you're interested in learning ETAP, SAFE, RCDC, and SAP 2000 rupees, sorry 2000, you can come over here, and here you can apply the 400 coupon. Okay, so you get 4 separate courses for just 1010 rupees. Again, even in this, if you go for the ETAPs part, in this we have got 6 separate models in ETABS again. Alright, in safe we have covered everything from isolated, combined, eccentric, raft, and even pile foundation is covered here. Pile cap design, sorry, is covered. Then you come for RCDC. In RCDC again, a lot of content is covered here separately. So it's up to you. If you're interested in learning something from us, you can definitely learn from us. And if you send doubts to us like this, we'll keep on creating content for you and uploading it on YouTube and the platform as well. Alright. So that's all this class. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.